Can't choose between pizza night and pasta night? Don't stress. I broke the rules and put them in one skillet, and it's dangerously good. Ready in 20 minutes. I'm skipping pizza sauce and using tomato puree with paste instead, as you saw. You'll achieve a better flavor control, a thicker texture, and no added sugars and salt, and it creates those both Mediterranean vibes you just can't get from a jar. Using low carb spaghetti and canned tomato products with low fat cheese keeps this dish guilt free. Check out the links below for the low carb ingredients I just mentioned if you're interested. So make it your own. Make it cheesier, toss in some black olives, swap out ingredients, and have fun with it. And next time, when your friends can't decide between pizza or pasta, serve this. If they still complain, that's how you know you need new friends. Just kidding. You have a perfect dish to keep them happy. Hit the spot. You gotta try this. Enjoy this pizza with a twist? Then don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos for more bold flavors and one-pan simplicity, all designed for your enjoyment. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I look forward to seeing you in the next one-pan creation video. Until then, stay healthy and as always, take care.